Okay, Derek, so here's what I meant by non-adaptive. So if I come into this component and I pick this adaptive point, your component should actually be connected to it and follow it. So when it expands and contracts on a surface division, it adapts. So if I control tab to your surface division and I pick the division, let me see if I can get the division. Let's tab select. So I get the division and I change, let's say, the 30 to 20. Right, it'll update, but it doesn't really track. It starts to rotate and like your type 4 doesn't stay in line, like it goes to the center. So if I control tab to a component that I made that's similar to yours, if I pick this guy and move the point, right, the piece moves with it. So that's what makes it adaptive. So you're right. So that's what makes it adaptive. And if I go to one that I made, so here's one that I made, and it's actually adapting and keeping the same form. But if I tab select to the division and I change mine to 10, right, it follows that division. Let's say I change this to like 4. It doesn't detach and move around. It actually does that same thing, right? Also, it's a little strange. I should be able to. So that's what I meant. Also, there's a sort of strange difference between the way that you've applied it and the way that I applied it in class. Like you applied it to a it looks like it has I should be able to pick them all at once and flip them, but I think that in some way you've applied it as a curtain wall pattern, which is kind of interesting, but I'm not sure how that's working. Okay, so that is it, and I can send you the component. And come to my office hours or email me if you have any more questions. Okay.